Alright guys, welcome you all in this new video of our JavaScript series. In this video, I'll be teaching you what is the difference between global and block scope. Okay, so if I will write here var num is equal to any number like 5, okay, then if I will create a function called add and put the curly braces here and I will write here num is equal to 4, right? And then I will simply return the function and call it to make it functional. Okay, so yeah, here we have declare a function called add. Now if I will console.log here num, so what it will return me, it is returning me 4 because as we already have discussed that var is a global scope variable, so it doesn't matter where we are declaring it. We can use the variable declared with all var all our code. As you are watching, I declared the var variable outside of a function, but I used it in the function, right? Now if I will write here var or let, and now if I will console.log it, so it will throw me an error. Code runner is like, all right, so here you see we have got an error that num is not defined. Now why we got that? Because let keyword is a block scope and also we declared it in a function, so that's why we can't access let or const variable outside of a function, right? So that the difference between let and global that's the difference between block and global scope. We'll be seeing it in more detail when we'll be dealing with the if-else condition, and there is also another scope called function scope. So when we will be making loops and if-else condition, we will also treat that third type of scope. So now with this example, I hope that you got that what is the difference between global and a block scope. It means that if we wrote a function inside, if we declare a variable inside a function, we can't access it from the outside. And if we declare the variable outside of a function, we can access it in the function. Okay? So that's the global scope. So I hope that you got that. And also in the previous video, as you saw that I got stuck like in two to different locations, I want to tell you in web programming you will be also stuck even if you have 10 years of experience. That is actually a beauty of web programming. It feels us that we are not perfect because web programming is like a deep sea and we are little fishes in it. Okay, so if you will get stuck, never feel bad, never mind. It happens with almost every single web programmer. All you will need is to resolve that problem. You have to be capable enough to resolve your issues. And in the end of this series, you will be able to do that on your own. Okay? That's the purpose of this series that we want to make you a perfect JavaScript developer. So that was it. If you will need any further explanation or if you won't get anything, you can let me know. I will make another video on block and global scope. So thank you so much. Keep learning and keep coding as always.